I got a kung fu grip on reality. I got anger issues and anxiety. I'm a loose cannon, I go Bruce Banner. I'm a masochistic personality. The more I feel it slipping, the tighter that I grip it, the more I feel it getting away. I'm gonna drive myself insane. I'm a control freak, it ain't healthy. I got a laundry list of things that bother me. I'm quite the psycho, just watch my mind go. I try my best to chill, but it's impossible. It's a goddamn disease, I can't get no relief. I'm a control freak, control freak. I think I owe myself an apology. I made my whole damn life a catastrophe by being way too overzealous, maniacally jealous. I'm broken in my brain. I'm a control freak, it ain't healthy. I got a laundry list of things that bother me. I'm quite the psycho, just watch my mind go. I try my best to chill, but it's impossible. It's a goddamn disease, I can't get no relief. I'm a control freak, control freak. I feel it slipping. I feel it slipping. I'm a control freak, somebody help me. I'm a full-blown menace to society. I'm quite the psycho, just watch my mind.